Welcome to 9 to 5 Unchained, the channel where you will learn all about breaking the chain from the 9 to 5 lifestyle. Today I'm going to review a software that is used to create and sell online products, much like Shopify. What is 3D Cart? Looking to grow your online business? You can check out the link below after this presentation. Let's take a look at this powerful and secure e-commerce software. 3D Cart is an e-commerce software that is a web-based application. A complete e-commerce software would include a website builder, shopping cart software, real-time shipping and credit card processing capabilities. 3D Cart offers a complete, all-in-one, hosted e-commerce solution that includes everything you need to sell online. Their powerful online store builder and robust suite of inventory management tools will enable you to design your store, sell digital downloads, track sales, and more, all from within your site's product management software. Designing the store uses a content management system, CMS, a type of website design software that provides a non-technical way to add, edit, or delete website pages and content. With a CMS, you don't have to create HTML or CSS files, write code in them, and then upload them to your web server. Instead, you can generate pages, edit them, and link them to other pages from within the CMS. A CMS is faster, easier, and makes website design and creation available to everyone. 3D Cart supports over 200 payment providers, in over a dozen countries, around the world. Choose your favorite credit card processor, with a wide range of options available, including interchange plus pricing. Accept PayPal, Amazon Pay, Google Pay, Apple Pay, and more alternate payment types as you see fit for your business. 3D Cart provides a complete tool set for processing orders, making it easy to efficiently run your store even during busy sales periods, and without needing to constantly monitor your store. Your online store, safe and secure. This is the same level of security that banks and large financial institutions use for their customers. Rest assured that your customer data is safe with 3D Cart. 3D Cart is built, from the ground up, to be mobile-friendly, with no need for you to maintain multiple versions of your website, or use custom code to implement important features like Google AMP. That allows a business to create a type of internet website, where visitors can select products to be purchased online. Until the end of July, 3D Cart are offering 50% off your first year price for a store. There is also a 15-day free trial, so you can check out all the features for yourself. Click the link below to get your 50% off for July or try a 15-day free trial.